Guys, this video is gonna be messed up. I'm moving really slow. I have to fix it, guys. Oh my god. This is just a random video. Anyway, I'm about to go to the mall here in a minute. Brandon, where's your dad? I have to go home. I can't stay forever. Maybe I can. I don't know. So I have this thing on my teeth. I just made a few quick twit cams, so do you wanna follow me on Twitter? Cause I just made 50 twit cams, and yeah, my Twitter name is Emily EMILY _ the under dash thingy 311. So yeah, this video is probably gonna end because it's really messed up. I don't know why it's going like this. I mean, really? Did you unload? Wait, did you mean unload an exist video? No. Well, anyway, this is a random video. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow, ow! Ow, ow! Ow, ow! Okay, I'll see you guys later.